Heart-healthy foods, 25 top foods that prevent heart disease. Heart disease is the #1 leading cause of death in the United States. Coronary heart disease is the most common type of heart disease, killing almost 380,000 people annually. In the United States, a heart attack occurs every 34 seconds. Every 60 seconds, someone dies from a heart disease-related event. Heart disease kills 1 in 3 women, more than breast cancer, and all forms of cancer combined. 71 million American adults, 33.5% of the population, have high cholesterol, a major contributing risk factor for heart disease, and only 1 out of every 3 adults have the condition under control. Diet and exercise are the main ways to prevent heart disease, ensure long-term health, and prevent chronic disease. Heart-healthy foods deliver power-packed phytonutrients that help to prevent and repair cellular damage and valuable macro and micronutrients to ensure optimal heart health. Many foods also aid in preventing high cholesterol and clogging of heart arteries that can lead to the need for bypass, surgery, or premature death from a heart attack. Olive oil has been shown to reduce heart disease and is one of the main staples of the Mediterranean diet that a recent study showed to reduce heart disease by 30% in high-risk patients and by 9% in healthy individuals. In addition, here are 25 more foods that prevent heart disease in the heart-healthy foods, which can aid in the protection of your cardiovascular system. Please watch the video until the end and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Number 1. Salmon. According to the American Heart Association, omega-3 fatty acids are heart-healthy fats that fall under the category of polyunsaturated fats. Regular intake of these healthy fats helps to lower the risk of heart arrhythmias that often result in sudden death, slow plaque buildup in the heart, and lower triglyceride levels. Number 2. Flaxseed. Flaxseed provides omega-3 fatty acids, along with fiber and phytoestrogens that help to lower bad LDL cholesterol while increasing good HDL cholesterol. Ground flaxseed can be added to cereals, yogurt, homemade muffins, and to steamed vegetables for a nutty flavor. Number 3. Oatmeal. Many studies have confirmed that soluble dietary fiber intake greatly reduces the risk of developing heart disease. A 1/4 cup serving of steel-cut oats provides 15% of the U.S. Department of Agriculture's recommended daily allowance of fiber. Hot oatmeal and fresh berries are a treat for you and your heart. Number 4. Beans. Beans are very high in both soluble and insoluble fiber that helps control cholesterol, and they are a great source of lean protein as opposed to animal protein that is much higher in saturated fat that can clog heart arteries. Beans also provide magnesium, B-complex vitamins, niacin, folate, omega-3 fatty acids, and calcium. Number 5. Blueberries. Blueberries are high in fiber and low in sugar and offer essential carotenoids, the flavonoid, anthocyanin, ellagic acid, vitamin C, calcium, and potassium. Number 6. Tofu. Tofu is a great alternative to animal protein that is high in saturated fat and provides niacin, folate, calcium, magnesium, and potassium. Number 7. Red wine and grapes. The catechin and resveratrol flavonoids in red wine are believed to reduce the risk of heart disease. Red grapes are rich in flavonoids, so there is no need to start drinking just for heart health. Raw fresh garlic and garlic supplements are also great sources of catechins. Number 8. Tuna. Tuna is a fatty fish that is rich in heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. It also provides folate and niacin. Number 9. Walnuts. Like almonds, walnuts offer essential nutrients for heart health, including heart-favorable mono and polyunsaturated fats, magnesium, folate, fiber, and vitamin E. Number 10. Brown rice. Brown rice is a healthy whole grain that is much better for heart health than white processed rice. It gives you B-complex vitamins, niacin, magnesium, and fiber. Number 11. Soy milk. Soy milk is fortified with heart-healthy nutrients, including isoflavones, niacin, folate, calcium, magnesium and phytoestrogen, potassium, and B-complex vitamins. Number 12. Almonds. Almonds are nutrition powerhouses that provide heart-friendly mono and polyunsaturated fats, and magnesium, vitamin E, phytosterols. Choose raw nuts without added salty or sugary toppings. Cacao-dusted almonds are a great option to get an added boost of antioxidants from the chocolate. Pure almond butter is a superfood that provides healthy fats and makes a great snack as a dip for fruit to satisfy the sweet tooth or on whole grain toast for breakfast. Number 13. Carrots. Carrots offer beta-carotene and fiber. They are also beneficial for vision health. They make a great sweet snack. Number 14. Spinach, kale, and all leafy greens. Leafy greens are nature's superfoods and provide the best of what plant foods have to offer, including lutein, B-complex vitamins, magnesium, potassium, calcium, and fiber. Choose spinach instead of lettuce for nutrient-packed salads and sandwiches. Number 15. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are delicious and sweet, and while we often refer to them as vegetables, they are actually fruits. For heart health, tomatoes offer lycopene, beta, and alpha-carotene, lutein, vitamin C, folate, fiber, and potassium. Eat them in salads, as snacks, in smoothies, baked with a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese, and in healthy sauces over whole grain pasta. Number 16. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a much better choice than white potatoes because they offer more nutrients, are lower on the glycemic index, which makes them more effective for blood sugar control, and offers these nutrients for heart health. Beta-carotene, vitamins A, C, and E, fiber. Number 17. Whole grain cereals. Whole grain cereals, like whole wheat and oat bran, help to lower cholesterol. Number 18. Broccoli. Broccoli, like all green vegetables, is low in calories, nutrient-rich, and can be eaten in abundance. Broccoli gives you many nutrients for heart health, including beta-carotene, vitamin C, E, A, B6, and fiber. Eat it steamed as a side dish, or chop fresh broccoli into soup. It also makes a great snack when dipped into nutrient-rich hummus. Number 19. Oranges. Oranges are high in fiber and provide essential antioxidants to protect from free radicals. They also provide beta-cryptoxanthin, lutein, flavonoids, and lots of vitamin C, folate, fiber, and potassium. Eat the whole fruit as juicing removes the pulp and eliminates the fiber. Number 20. Asparagus. Another awesome green vegetable that is low in calories and heart-healthy, offering essential nutrients such as beta-carotene and lutein, B-complex vitamins, fiber, and folate. Number 21. Acorn Squash. Acorn squash is a vegetable rich in antioxidants, including beta-carotene, lutein, B-complex, and vitamin C. This tasty vegetable also provides folate, calcium, magnesium, potassium, and fiber. Number 22. Cantaloupe. This juicy sweet fruit is good for heart health due to its rich content of antioxidants, including alpha and beta-carotene, lutein, B-complex vitamins, and vitamin C. It is also a high-fiber fruit that can help prevent high cholesterol. Number 23. Papaya. Papaya is another sweet and delicious fruit that can help lower risks of heart disease by providing you with beta-carotene, beta-cryptoxanthin, vitamins E and C, lutein, calcium, magnesium, and potassium. Number 24. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate that is at least 60% cacao contains resveratrol and cocoa phenol flavonoids that are effective antioxidants in preventing heart disease. Number 25. Green tea. Green tea has many health benefits, some of which are rooted in its content of catechin and flavonols that help to reduce heart disease risks. It also helps with weight loss, which naturally improves health and significantly lowers the risks of heart disease. If you like my content, please let me know in the comments section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.